There are times when your listing gets suppressed on Amazon, and one of the quick checks that you can do is to see if it's been flagged as an adult product. Oftentimes, there are nefarious actors that may put in keywords or things on your listing that can trigger the Amazon algorithm to make your product adult, which means it may be suppressed and you can't run ads on it, things like that. So if your listing's suppressed, you can't run ads, and you want to do a quick check, this is one of the ways that you can do that. So you just come down to adult checker, you can enter in the ASIN. I'm going to do one that's not an adult just so you can kind of see what that looks like. This is the Amazon Echo Dot. You can see there with this green check mark, it is not an adult product. So the next one I'm going to do is actually an adult product. So if you don't want to see this, it's going to show up. Cover your eyes for this next little bit, but I'm going to throw in an adult one. Check that, and you can see here, boom, it has flagged it as an adult product with that red warning label, so you know that's what's going on. So quick little check, if you have ads that aren't running or your listing suppressed, may be flagged by Amazon as an adult product, and here's how you can easily find out in a couple of minutes.